Hi guys, welcome back. No, the title is not clickbait. I'm so excited, hence the music before, because this is my 100K giveaway. I'm just so thrilled to be able to hit this milestone. And guys, I would not be here if it wasn't for you, my family, every single one of you that have watched my videos or commented and most of all subscribed to my channel. It means so much to me, and it's the fuel that keeps me going. And I'm just like, I just can't wait to show you what I'm going to give away. And there are two big prizes. One of them you may already know, but the other one, yes, it's in an Hermes bag. You know that excitement you get when you give someone you love a present, but they don't know what it is and it's a surprise and you're like, oh, I hope they really like it. And then you're just so excited. That's how I feel at the moment. So I hope that translates through the camera, but I'm just going to get right into it and show you what the two prizes for my 100K giveaway is. Start off with prize number one. And yes, it is in an Hermes bag. This is what I was waiting for, guys. This is the piece that I was waiting for because I have been searching high and low for it. And you're thinking, what is it, Mel? I know, let me just say, I know it might not be everyone's taste, but just hear me out on this. So in here, which I just got a couple of days ago, and some of you I know will think, what's that, Mel? Is that really an Hermes bag? For those of you that are new or you might be joining my channel, yes, this is an Hermes bag. And I have actually done a video revealing. I've got one. I was actually wearing mine today. I'll show you that a bit later. But this one here, oh my gosh, after I did that video, I had so many emails from you guys saying, Mel, the ones that you linked out sold out. All the ones on eBay sold out. They were so popular because in 2018, the transparency trend, is huge, and it still continues to be huge. Like, I still see a lot of shoes and clothes from designers still coming out with the transparency trend. But forget about it. Even without the transparency trend, why is this bag so special? One, this bag is 21 years old. Yes, 21 years old. Now, really, really quickly, because you guys know I always like telling you a little bit about the history of it and why it's such a special bag. Firstly, it's no longer produced. Hermes does not produce this bag. It was especially created. Actually, the very first one was inspired by the Paris attacks in 1996. And anyway, all the people that got tickets to the show, it was like in the form of a bag. Anyway, it was just to help with security and everything so you could see everything inside. Later on, Hermes had an exhibition in 1997 and 1998. This particular 1997 one was called A Trip to Wonderland. Hence, this French means a trip to Wonderland. So in 1997, that exhibition, you got the clear bag. It also comes, some of you may see it came in an orange vinyl bag as well. That's from 1998. So guys, one, it's limited and no longer produced. They only made a certain quantity in 1997. It is hard to get, and after that the prices have gone up so much. So I have been searching for this. It's not even just about the price. It was about finding one in really good condition, which is really hard because I have seen them go, the ones that are in excellent condition go for like about 1,500 Australian dollars. I've even seen ones that are like go way over that. And what's really important about this is a lot of these bags, because of the age, they sort of yellow. This has got no yellow to it. The structure is still really good. I would say it's in excellent condition. Mine, the one that I got here was in, I would say a little bit better than excellent. But the only thing here I can point out is that in some of the words, a few of it's been scraped off on a couple of letters. That's the only fault I can really say. Like, there's just little bits. Nothing's like scratched off, but little scratches. And I was just so happy because with my contact, I asked her to source me one, and I just was not happy with it because I was really picky. I was buying this as if I was, trying to buy it for myself. And yeah, because I only want the best for you guys. And another thing, that a lot of them were really rusted. So this lock was good. The structure was good. There's no yellowing. You guys know how much I love vintage. So I wanted to give this to my first prize winner. But I understand It's not for everyone. And as with all my giveaways, I'm going to give the first prize winner gets the option of either picking this or 1,000 Australian PayPal cash. So that will be sent directly to your PayPal account. So there are two options because some people, I get it, it's not for everyone, but for those of you that understand limited edition and love bags and stuff like that, who doesn't want to own an Hermes bag? Let me just show you really, really quickly my Kelly bag. And this is what I wore today. So you can dress it up so many ways because inside you can put anything you want. So I've just wrapped a twilly and I've got my green rodeo here because I was wearing green. And inside I've got my toiletry 26, my gorgeous green card holder, which is a hint of what's coming. And okay, honestly guys, I just put this in here because it's so cute, but it is actually an iPhone case which fits my iPhone. Isn't that cute? And some hints. That's what it looks like. Clear. This is mine. And this is going to be for you guys. Now, I do want to say to you guys, if you want to know more about the history, I'll link my reveal video of this above, okay? And just stay with me. I'm so excited. I'm talking so fast. I'm going to go through all the giveaway instructions after I show you the second item. Okay, so first prize is this, or 1,000 cash. And secondly is something from Chanel. This is another really rare piece. Yes, it comes in a white bag because it came from the Paris Rue Cambon store. And for those of you that love Chanel, you would know that it only Paris has the white packaging. So I boxed it up again because a lot of you guys are new to my channel. So it's just nice to unbox. So this is the second prize winner. We'll get all this stuff with the camellia and the flowers and everything. And for those that have been following me for a while, you guys already know what this is. But it is, dun, 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 this gorgeous green iridescent zippy card holder. So this is the one with the accordion style. There is, of course, the Authenticity card, which is a 25 series. It is brand new. It's still got its plastic here. It's champagne gold hardware. Guys, this is really hard to get. I've got this in a card holder, but this, just have a look. It is so rare. I have seen this go for, like, as I said, over $1,000 as well. And yeah, resellers are selling this for crazy prices because this green is such a beautiful emerald green. I can't tell you how beautiful this card holder is. I am a sucker for Chanel SLGs. I think you guys, if you follow my channel, probably love Chanel. I love green. Look at me. I'm wearing green today, green earrings. This is just a really rare piece. So I'm going to go through the instructions, but I will leave everything in the description bar below. So make sure you have a read through of that. Okay, so what do you need to do, Mel? First of all, you got to be subscribed to my channel, of course. Like this video. 3, if you were to win, would you pick the Hermes? Would you pick the PayPal cash? Or would you pick the Chanel? And then go to my Instagram. Firstly, follow me on Instagram, which I know a lot of you do anyway. Secondly, like the giveaway picture. And thirdly, tag a friend. But you can tag up to 6 friends if you want to increase your chances. It's up to you, but you just have to tag 1 friend. And what's really important to note, on your YouTube entry, make sure that you leave your email or your IG name down. It'll just be easier for me to contact you. So whichever one you prefer. So if your IG and your YouTube name is different, make sure you let me know in the comments below. And that is it, guys. It's really easy. So as I said, I'll leave everything in the description bar below. So the giveaway starts today and will end in 3 weeks' time on November the 8th, 11:59 p.m. Melbourne time. That's not when it's going to be announced. That's just when the giveaway ends. And then just give me some time, guys, because I'll need to go through all the entries. So 2 winners will be selected at random and then they'll be contacted. And winners have 24 hours to respond. Otherwise, I will need to redraw. And then once the winners have confirmed, what I will do is in the description bar of this video and in the comment section, I'll pin the winners. And also on the giveaway picture, I will also re-edit the description with the winners' names as well. So guys, I'm just so excited that I can give away 2 really rare pieces. And oh, most importantly, yes, it is open worldwide. I know I have so many of you from all different countries. So of course, I'm going to make this giveaway worldwide. Guys, I'm just so excited. I still feel so hyper, but I just really wouldn't be here. I didn't think that I would hit 100K. It's a really big deal for me. And I just can't thank you guys enough. And I feel so blessed and privileged that I really wanted to give back. I really gave a lot of thought into it because, yeah, I just hope you guys like what I picked because it really comes from my heart. And I just love you guys so much. And I really appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you soon in my next video. Have a wonderful day or night. Big kisses. Mwah. Bye.